Friends, so just I want to correlate the things now. Entrepreneurship is leadership, and leadership is effective communication. And any startup journey start with an effective communication only. You have means I mean to say from idea to commercial viability of the project or the establishment of any startup. So this is a correlation: leadership, entrepreneurship, effective communications. So if you have effective communications, so like how you can become, how can you become a true leader? Speak at the last. Always respond, never react. If you don't know the answer, just wait, do some study, do some research, then come back and answer. If you don't know, you are just reacting because you have to show that you know something. No, if you're not knowing something, say, I don't know, sir. I don't know, ma'am. I don't know, friends. I'll come back on this. I need to study on this. So this is the best way. Just because in a forum you want to speak because you're leading the show, you should know everything. See, nobody is knowing everything. I am also not knowing. You are also not knowing. Nobody is knowing. So the best way respond means coming with proper feedback, with research, with all data and figures, and then speak. It will create more impact. Else people will say, अरे इसको कुछ तो मालूम है ही नहीं, ये क्या एंटरप्रेन्योर बनेगा, इसको अपने आइडिया के बारे में मालूम नहीं, डेटा के बारे में मालूम नहीं, कुछ भी बोल रहा था ये तो. This is not the fact, because people are more smarter than you. If you don't know, simply say, see, I have some doubts on this. Let me do this some study, some research. I'll come back to you with the effective figures. This is the right way if you don't know anything. And it shows your maturity also. You're not reacting, you're responding to the situation. And you're accepting this. Okay, I'm clear, I'm transparent that I don't know this thing, no issues. But tomorrow I'll come back with a more study and homework. Then I would be able to debate with you. So this is very important. Don't just because you're a leader of a startup, you can say anything to your colleagues. Your colleagues might be more talented, more knowledgeable on that particular subject. So if you are a leader, lead by example. Lead by example means you should have better knowledge. If you are not having, you should acquire it. And if you don't know, simply say, this thing I don't know, friend. I think whoever is knowing this particular technology, please help me out. So that will create a transparency, that will empower the people. And so what you are doing effective communication. It will not put your head down. It will boost up the moral of your team. That okay, sir was not knowing this, or X person suppose is not knowing this, and his or her team will start appreciating how clear is this person, how honest is this person. See, if he is not knowing in the open forum, he accepted this, and then finally he requested to someone who is knowing this. So this is very important. That is what I want to say. Irrespective of language, whether English, Hindi, Marathi, Kannada, whatever the language in the India or world are existing, whatever language you are using, I want to say you have to be effective, clear, and transparent.